Why do I feel like WXL34s hum got louder? I don't know if that's just me, but I got home from school and I decided to take a listen to WXL34, and their hum sounds a bit louder than usual. Now I don't know if you noticed, but WXL34 has had this like tiny faint hum in the background, and I think it got slightly louder a little bit. Not a lot, but just a little bit.
Hours a day. WXL34 serves the Greater Capital District, the Lake George Saratoga region, Northern Catskills, and Berkshire Mountains at 162.55 megahertz. WXL.
I don't know if you hear it. Like, can you guys hear that? You hear that? Let's look at the accurate.
This program is provided by your National Weather Service office in Albany, New York, on the campus of the University at Albany.
You hear that? You hear that hum? Like...
Time observations. At Albany International Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 57 degrees, the dew point 19, and the relative...
I don't... Let me try a zone guard.
7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.06 inches and falling. Around the Greater Capital District. Throughout the region...
I don't... That's so weird. Let me try the Jensen.
Around the Northeast, it was sunny with a temperature of 49 at Burlington, 57 at Springfield, Massachusetts, 58 at Poughkeepsie, and 52 at Rome. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 57 at Boston, 59 at New York City, and 52 at Buffalo. Again, the 5 p.m.
What about the 261?
Information from the Capital District. It was sunny, and the temperatures were 57 degrees. Fine fuels, such as grass and leaf litter, will continue to dry across the region on Tuesday. This combined with low relative humidity values of 25 to 35% in south to southwest winds gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour may have an impact on fire weather conditions. If any fires were to start, the weather and fuel conditions could cause fires to quickly get out of control and be difficult to contain. The annual statewide burn ban is in effect until May 14th. Weather permits are issued. Now here is the head.
Alright, well I just caught a special weather statement regarding concerning fire weather concerns around eastern New York. Lovely. Just what I need in my life. More fire weather concerns. I mean, then again, it is that season for April and May, so...
Ability for widespread hazardous weather is low. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Synopsis.
But do you hear that hum? You hear that hum? It sounds louder.
It's on Tuesday with increasing clouds. A low-pressure system will bring some rain and a localized...
Can't really hear it on the Eton FR1.
Drier weather returns for the end of the week.
But yeah, that's so weird.
Sunny. Near steady temperature in the mid-50s.
You hear, like, I don't know if WXL34 went off the air this morning, and now their hum sounds loud. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but I remembered yesterday it did not sound like that, and now all of a sudden it sounds like that today.
Tuesday, sunny, warmer with highs in the upper 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, increasing to...
You could definitely hear it a lot better on the 382, but that's so weird. That's so weird how WXL34's hum got slightly louder. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think happened, because this is confusing. I have not had this experience where WXL34's hum sounds different since the last time they went off the air. I don't know, maybe it's gonna get fixed soon, I don't know.
It's around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, clear, cold with lows in the lower 30s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming southwest after midnight. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Not as cool time.
I don't know. That's weird. Anyways, I'm going to end the video now. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you later.